Hello children, let's see one more flower how to make using a broomstick. So this is the craft paper which I am going to use and make such a flower. Right? For this craft paper, along with that we need a tape, some broomsticks, and these broomsticks have to be wrapped with the tape. If not this tape, then the green tape. The green tape you will get in a stationery store. You have to wrap around the green tape like this. Children, if you don't have a green tape, this I am using in place of green tape. This is a paper tape which you can use to wrap the stick around like this. On this stick, if you wrap around this paper tape, you can easily color the paper tape with a green color. So this is how I am wrapping around the stick slowly. Here you go. Our stick is wrapped around with the tape. Now this stick is going to be colored with this green color. This is an acrylic color. Yes, of course it's an option, children, that if you don't have a green tape, then you can do this process. Since I was not having the green tape, I thought of doing this. This way you have to color the tape fully and leave it for drying. Fully colored. Now let it dry. By the time it dries, we'll use this paper and see how to make the flower. For that we need this cap, bottle cap it is. Now using this cap I am going to trace a circle like this. Yes, I have many small paper pieces on which I am going to trace these circles, and after tracing these circles I have to cut them all. Or you can even do one thing, you can just trace on one paper, stack all the papers together and cut together. These all will be cut. I have this cut circle here. I've taken out the circle now. Now this circle has to be divided into half, cut into half like this. 2 parts you will get. I have cut all the circles like this. Now all these half circles are going to be pasted in the form of cone or a cap, birthday cap you can see, like this. There you go, small birthday cap. Here it is. All these semicircles have to be glued on half the side and pasted like this. Now I have all these cones with me. I have 2 colors. Now this stick also has dried up. You can see. Now these cones I am going to paste like this with the help of Fevicol. I'll apply Fevicol on one side of the cone like this and paste it on the stick this way. Children, any color flower stick you can make. Since I have used peach color, I have taken the dark color, contrasting color. Along with that is the pink one, dark pink. So this is how you have to go on pasting the cones on the stick, one below other but on the opposite sides like this. Paste it close by, like where the previous cone's tip is pasted, the second cone starts from the other side on the tip like this. We will finish pasting all the cones. It's up to you how long you want the flowers to be sticked or pasted. This way you can complete the stick. I have used those dark pink flowers on the tip. Now our flower stick is ready. These type of sticks we can prepare and use it in the flower vase like this. Thank you, children.